graders, we are going to practice some word problems together, and then there is a Google form for you to practice on your own. All right. So let's start off with this one. Jane bought 3 bags of oranges. There were 7 oranges in each bag. How many oranges did she buy in all? So let's see if I can, oh, there we go. How many bags did she buy? 3. So let's say this is first bag. That's 1 bag. This is a second bag. And this is a third bag. Now in each bag, how many oranges are there? 7. So we're going to insert 7. Okay, and there's 7 oranges in this bag, 7 oranges in this bag, and 7 oranges in this bag. So we see 7 3 times. I want to know how many oranges in all. So 7, 7, 7. You can either add them, 7 plus 7 plus 7, or how many times do you see the number 7? 3. So you can say 3 times 7. What is 3 times 7? It's 21. But 21, not oranges, but not apples, but oranges. All right. Ronald baked 8 apple pies for a party. How many pies did he bake? 8. So let's make 8 pies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And he used 6 apples per each pie. So he used 6 for this apple pie. He used 6 apples. He used 6 for each. So I'm gonna, not that. We're gonna copy this. So 6 for this pie, 6 for this pie, 6 for this pie, 6 for this pie, 6 for that pie, 6 for this pie again, and another 6 for this pie. So each pie, he used 6 apples. I want to know how many apples he used in all. What we can do, we can add all the 6 together, or we can see how many times do we see the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say 8 times 6 will give me the number of apples he used in all. What is 8 times 6? 8 times 6 is 48. All right, let's do one more. Jenny is selling brownies. She has 3 trays of brownies. There are 8 brownies per tray. How many brownies does she have in all? Well, first, how many trays of brownies do they have? 3. So let's make 3 trays. Okay, 1 tray, 2 trays, 3 trays. And in each tray, there are 8 brownies. So 8 in here. We also know that there are another 8 in this one, and 8 more brownies here. We could add the 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 to find how many brownies she had in all, or we can see how many times we see the number 8. We see the number 8 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So we can say 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equals, what is 3 times 8? 24. So she has 24 brownies. All right, on your own, you're going to practice on the Google form.